So the access modifiers for the class. So here I have declared the class as public. In a file, only one class can have a public access modifier. All the other class should have default access modifiers. For example, I am trying to create another class here. So since it has default access, it is allowing me to create a class. Otherwise, it gives compiler error. It was loading something, sorry for that. So now I'll try to give public for this class. So it says public type hello must be defined in its own file. So in a file, only one class can be declared as public. All the other class should be default. This is the access modifiers for the class. Now access modifiers for member variables. We can declare members as private, public and protected and default. So I am declaring 4 variables. One is public int x, another one is private int y, next is protected int z, and this one int a as default access. Public int this x variable has public access. That means any class from anywhere outside this class or outside this package can access this particular variable. Protected. So we have declared this variable as private. So that means only this class has the access for this variable. Not even the subclass have access to this variable. So protected. So you can access this variable in the same package as well as in subclasses. Default. This variable is accessible only in the same package.